Hi guys and girls, this video will show you how to expand two sets of brackets. Okay, so we've expanded one set of brackets, now we're moving on to when there's two sets. Okay, and when you see two sets of brackets, you've got to times everything in one bracket by everything in the other. So all the stuff in the first bracket needs to be times with all the stuff in the second bracket. Okay, and to remember that, some people like to draw arrows, some people like to use this acronym first, outside, inside, last. And this time I'm going to use both just to show you how they work. Okay, so this is how we solve the problem. You take the first term, the x, and draw a line to the first term, the x. Then x to 6, 8 to x, 8 to 6. Okay, then you put a little times and a little times, and this is to show you what we're doing with the next thing. Okay, so my first line, or the first, was from x to x. So underneath, I go x times x, which gives me x squared. That's the first thing. My second line is x to 6, which gives me 6x. So I've got x squared plus 6x. Okay, I'm going to zoom in on that a little bit more. Give myself some more space. Okay, then I've got 8 to x, so plus 8x, and then 8 times 6, so plus, because they're both positive, 8 6s are 24, 48. Okay, now finally, to neaten it up, I've got two like terms, my 6x and my 8x. So I'm going to add them together and I get my final answer, which is x squared plus 14x plus 48. Okay, and that's my first answer. X squared plus 14x plus 48. Okay, just to recap the steps, you draw the arrows, then it's first times first, so x times x, outside x times 6, which gave me 6x, inside 8 times x, which gave me 8x, and outside 8 times 6, which gave me 48. And you add the two together, which gives you x squared, because that drops down, plus 14x plus 48. And that's expanding two sets of brackets. Well, hopefully you understood that. Bye guys and girls.